Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you draw a Toyota Supra. We'll begin by establishing the car's fundamental proportions. Lightly sketch the overall silhouette, paying close attention to the Supra's distinctive long hood and compact rear. Think of it as building a foundation with simple geometric shapes, ensuring your drawing has a solid base before adding details. Now, let's refine those initial shapes into the Supra's iconic body. Gently add the sleek curves and sharp angles that define its sporty look. Next, sketch the prominent wheel arches, followed by the wheels themselves. Remember to always keep the wheels proportionate to the car's body for a realistic appearance.
If you're finding this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. On another note, for all you drawing enthusiasts who also love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even while taking a break from your art. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the main body established, it's time to bring out the Supra's character through its details. Carefully sketch the distinctive headlights, the aggressive front grille, and the prominent air intakes. Don't forget the windows, subtle door lines, and side mirrors. Finally, add the iconic rear spoiler and the sleek taillights to complete its signature look. To make your Supra drawing truly pop, let's introduce some shading. Use varying pressure to create depth and dimension, making the car appear three-dimensional. Add subtle highlights to suggest reflections on the car's sleek surfaces. Once you're happy with the details, gently erase any remaining guidelines for a clean, polished final drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.